Jiw hami Taobh Sear Rois. I'm in Easter Ross and I'm looking for bees. The Gaelic for bee is seilleanan, and seilleanan is bees, seilleanan. Across the water there is the Black Isle in Chelan Du. So I'm looking at the Black Isle and looking for bees. Hami airson àrainneachd, airson seilleanan. I've always wanted to say that. I'm going to be learning all about how honey mill is made. But to do that, I've got to put on this special suit. I'm sure I'll look the part eventually and become a seilleanan, a beekeeper, a seilleanan. Time to learn about beekeeping. Now that's a mouthful. Bees are usually kept in a skep, hive, skep. Beekeeper Graham Miller moves a series of skepan, hives, skepan, around the Highlands during the year. I've heard that bees communicate by dancing, is that right?
Yes, they do dance. They do the waggle dance, as they call it.
So I know that bees go out and collect nectar and pollen. What happens next?
They'll start collecting the nectar, they'll fly back, and what they do is they regurgitate it to the nursery bees that are inside, and they'll store it down in the brood box at first, and a lot of it gets moved up then at night time. But if it becomes too much inside the brood box, they will start moving it up straight away.
Do the flowers in an area affect the taste, the flavour of the honey?
Oh, very much so. Different flowers obviously have a different taste. That does affect the honey. You have fireweed, rosebay, willow herb, which is quite a strong-ish kind of flavour to it. You have oilseed rape that we get in the springtime. It's a milder taste, it's more sweet.
Are bees good for the environment?
Of course they are. Because they pollinate a lot of the flowers. They pollinate crops for farmers as well, and for fruit producers as well.
Returning with pollen and nectar, the seilleanan then build this incredible ceir bheala, honeycomb, ceir bheala, sealing it with care, wax, care.
Feel the weight of that. Now that's just about the normal, nearly the normal weight of a super.
Yeah, must be
sorry, a frame.
a kilogram or two in that, eh?
Yeah.
Yeah. To finish the honey making process, the ceir bheala is left to rest, then filtered. Though it can also be eaten raw. That is excellent. The seilleanan have made some very sweet mill. The Gaelic for sweet is millish. Hence the saying, "Chomillish rish evil," as sweet as honey. Chomillish rish evil. How about chomillish ri Calum or chomillish ri joy?